Welcome to Market Snapshot from the Incred Equities Desk. In this podcast, our expert from the Equities Research team helps you navigate the stock markets with a quick roundup on the previous day's closing, along with relevant insights. Whether you are an experienced investor or starting out, this podcast will equip you to take informed decisions. The securities and stocks quoted here are for illustration only and are not recommendatory.
Good morning, everyone. Nifty continued to gain momentum, and yesterday was a very, very strong session, one of the best sessions for the bulls in the recent times, where it moved up almost 450 points in a single day, decimating all the resistances in its way. Bank Nifty up 1,100 points. Both of the indices closed comfortably in the green at the end of trading session. There was some profit booking in Nifty from high levels, almost 200 points cleared from the high point of the day, but nevertheless it managed to close with 300 points gain. Overall, if you see, it was more to do with how the markets perceived the victory by the BJP-led Mahayuti, and the expectations that things will get more clear, it will get stronger and better going forward. And that was taken up very positively. In absence of weak global cues, momentum moved unabated. FIs yesterday bought around 10,000 crores worth in cash. Domestic sold around 6,700 crores worth in cash. Do not be faced by 10,000 crore buy number. In my opinion, FIs had net sell numbers. There was significant buying by MSCI based funds yesterday. And this MSCI rebalancing, which was around $1.8 billion only for HDFC Bank, and even Alchem and other stocks had also seen good amount of MSCI inflows. I assume that is one of the reason why we are seeing such a large number. Else, even DIS would have been a buy number, but we have seen a major sell. So in my opinion, it's more to do with MSCI. Otherwise, FI flows are still negative. Gift is pointing towards 90 points cut as we speak, so in all likelihood we'll open on a flattish to mild negative note, and once yesterday's low is taken out around 24,180-200 a spot, we may slip towards level of 24,000, and if that is taken out, we can see some more downside. The structure on a slightly complex terms would mean that if there's a correction happening of say 200 points, we may again see a rise which may go towards 24,500 and above, and this rise may halt over there, and then the correction may again start. So we have seen a 5-wave correction from 26,300 levels to around 23,300. Now we are seeing a 3-point rise. Once that is finished, we will see a 5-point down Nifty again, and that will be the end of the entire correction. This is my opinion. Based on individual accounts, we may have to change the counts as and when required. For now, it at least gives us the roadmap. That will be from my side. Thank you.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.